Uganda Science Teachers Association, Worcester, simplifying learning and applying knowledge through the SCC system. Our offices are located at Chengela, Chilombe. We also have Worcester tea, Worcester chocolate, and Worcester coffee to facilitate our program, preventing against cancer, diabetes, pressure, and other ailments. Find our products at Ham Shopping Ground, opposite Main Gate, and other supermarkets, all shops, or call us on 0700 52 88 99 to support teachers' programs.
Back in action, I welcome you to our science advocacy. We simplify learning and apply knowledge through the SCC system. So we are concluding our question 1, qualitative analysis, by looking at the residue. Going to part C of that question, dissolve the residue from B in dilute nitric acid and divide the resultant solution in 3 parts. So we get our residue which has already been washed. We have been washing it, and this part here, this is the water which has been used for washing the residue. Can then pour it off. And then we remain with the residue. Then we are supposed to add dilute nitric acid here. But before we add the acid here, we are supposed to put in our mind the nature of the gas that is expected to come out of here. In most cases, it is the carbon dioxide gas. That is, if we see the bubbles or sulfur dioxide. If we don't see the confirmatory test for carbon dioxide, then it will be sulfur dioxide gas. So what do? Get a clean test tube. You can add there lime water. After adding there lime water, there is going to be a drop of lime water which is remaining hanging. A drop of lime water which is hanging. Then we bring our dilute nitric acid. We are going to add onto our residue, and if effervescence occurs, this drop here is going to indicate for us whether there is carbon dioxide or there is no carbon dioxide by making a change. Yes, effervescence is taking place, bubbling is taking place, a colorless gas is being given off. A colorless gas is being given off. The drop is turning milky. The wet pieces is formed there, and then the purity mass vapor is also changing to red. So this is an indication that carbon dioxide gas is given off. So after confirming that carbon dioxide gas is given off from there, how are we supposed to record our observation and the conclusion? Effervescence occurs with evolution of a colorless gas that turns away. Good mustard turns lime water milky. This way carbon dioxide gas, carbonate present. Then look what you note the color of the solution. What is the color of the solution? The color of the solution is a colorless solution. You also put a colorless solution. Let me add more acid so that we can dissolve everything. You can dissolve everything. So we have added more acid, we have dissolved everything, getting a colorless solution. So in the colorless solution, you record whatever is forming a colorless solution. That is, that is supposed to be put there. Then go to Roman number 1. What does it say? Roman number 1 is saying, the first portion, add sodium hydroxide dropwise until in excess. We are going to say that you do not proportion this one here. What do? Just get a small portion of it and then test it. So you get 1 cubic centimeter of it and test it. We are going to add sodium hydroxide onto this one here, dropwise until in excess. Drop by drop, drop by drop, as you are making the observation on the solution. Yes, the white crystal is being formed. It has fully formed. And then dissolves to form a colorless solution. It forms a colorless solution after forming a white precipitate. So this is an indication that inside there we are having ZAP. We are going to conclude in our reduction ZAP. Here white precipitate, soda in the excess, forming a colorless solution. The clear illustration is in our marking guide there. Then we go to part 2, part C, Roman number 2. To the second portion of the solution, add 2 to 3 drops of potassium iodide solution. Still, we get a clean test tube. From our solution, we get a small portion of it, 1 cubic centimeter, and on it we add potassium iodide solution, drop by drop. We get a yellow precipitate. So that yellow precipitate, what does it mean? It means needle is present. This is an indication that needle is present. Needle is present. Then we go to the next part. The next part is telling us to the third part of the solution, add ammonia solution dropwise until in excess. So get another clean test tube. You can organize a smaller portion like that, 1 cubic centimeter. On it, you add ammonia solution drop by drop when you are making the observation. A white precipitate is being formed there. Let us add in excess. On addition in excess, the precipitate does not go away. It remains. So we say a white precipitate insoluble in the excess. What does this one mean? This one means originally we were having that. Originally white precipitate insoluble in the excess ammonia solution. Zinc goes away. And now what are we remaining with? We are supposed to remain with aluminium and lead. But because in the middle there, we have already confirmed lead, we cannot again talk about aluminium. Therefore, we cannot talk about that because we have confirmed lead. So here, we shall still say little two ions present. We don't add there aluminium because we have already confirmed the lead. So by so doing, you have clearly explained or put down the chemistry that is required of you, and you are expected to get all the marks. Then we got the conclusion, the conclusive part of the question. Sometimes the candidates forget to put the cations which are in the question. Please, these are all the feedbacks you have worked for them from there. So go ahead and put whatever you have confirmed from your working. So here you have already confirmed lead, you confirm ammonia, you confirm a sulfide, and you confirm the carbonate, and then you confirm the sulfate. So please put there in the column of anions. The column of anions, this is going there. In the column of cations, you put this and that, which you already confirmed from the procedures above. By so doing, you have extracted the number with all the inside marks, you have admitted them. We expect you to excel. Please, I enjoin you always to use Ustati in your daily consumptions, and Usa coffee, those who are fans of coffee, all of these are enriched with ingredients of life. Please use Usa Apple, a very good product with the ingredients of life. Please do not avoid to use Usa Aroma, sincerely aromatic. Yeah, you are going to enjoy your tea in milk tea. Please do so. And then Usa Masala for those who are preparing food, pilau masala, then mix masala for sauce. Please go ahead and use the products. We'll have a difference between our products and what I don't know. Please allow me not to leave the platform unless I've talked about number one note, His Excellency, the President of Republic of Uganda. Number one prime, His Highness, the Kabaka of Uganda, for the apparent advocates of science. Long live Your Excellency, long live Your Highness. I beg you meet in our next paper that is going to be qualitative analysis, question 2. As I did given to you, we are going to give you the marking guide for this one here. You look at what we have discussed and what has been put on the paper so that you can properly know how you are going to present your work in your 4th exams. We meet again.